Are you interested in new construction?
Do you want to know the ins and outs?
Well, stay tuned for details on our new construction seminar coming to you in August. George Murad,
Erica McNamara.
I'm Malik Banks.
bringing you the details of our new construction seminar being held here in our Vienna office on August 28th at 11 a.m. Now, have you thought about new construction? Trying to understand what does loans consist of? How do you choose the right builder? What options and programs you have out there? Well, this is the seminar that you do not want to miss. There's going to be a wealth of information given to you. We're going to have one of our lenders, Meyer Tran Harder with Intercoastal Mortgage here. We're going to have food catered by Basins on Church. And we're going to give you all the ins and outs on new construction, how to prepare, what the processes are, and what options that you do have. So please RSVP with us today. You can contact Erica at Client Care at Red Door Metro or give us a call at 1-844-KW Metro. And as always, thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.